Alright, gonna sell some of the goodies we got and buy some shit.
What are you buying? Is that all? Is that all? Thank you. Is that
Boy, that laugh is getting real annoying.
Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Thank you. Is that all? Is that all? Thank you. What are you selling? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use that no more, so I'm going to sell it. Oops, forgot to put the thing on the crown.
I'm back any time. What are you selling?
You know what I'm gonna sell to you.
Ah.
Yeah, you're an idiot for buying this at a high price.
Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all, stranger? Is that all? Is that all? Thank you.
I'm looking up for a nest. There might be a nest in the area. Don't see one. Let's go and kill these two guys. Okay, that guy took two. Guess he was weak. Same with that guy too. Spinel. Still give me spinel. Still. I guess when I reach the second disc, I guess that's when they start giving me spinel. They start giving me velvet blue. Same thing up here. Nothing. Good vantage spot to do some sniping, but pillaging right now. Wow, somebody saw me from way up here. Oh well, guess I'll do some sniping now. Stopped him right in his tracks. Oh, I missed. Shoot, they didn't shoot. Hit them anywhere and they die. So easy. Oh, shit. Shot too early. Anybody else? I guess not. There might be more goodies in the area, but I'm on time limit, so I'm rushing. Do. Breaking boxes, grabbing goodies. What's this box right here? No goodie. Box go break. The guy over here, I'll shoot him in the face. Man, you're stubborn. How many times I gotta shoot you in the fucking face before you drop? See, he went down in 2 shots. Well, not exactly 2 shots, but you know, he went down and found the 2 shots I shot him at. Watch watch out for them freaking bear traps. Don't want to get hurt. Okay, now that guy, he took 3. I'm pretty sure that guy had a plague in him. Thank God I killed him. Flame power. I'm actually waiting for him to straighten up so I can pop both of them still. Damn it, you're stubborn. God damn it. Fucker. God. Oh, well, that's good. As long as it went down quick. No, it's a goodie over there. You go. Velvet blue. I'll take that. Gotta watch out for them bear traps. Oh! Almost ran over that one. Okay, nothing over there. Shouldn't it be smart enough just to jump down? So nothing running in fucking circles and shit. Okay, you sit there and burn. I'll go ahead and take this red herb. Fucking cheesecake. Don't have nothing on it. Alright, I'll just leave that idiot up there to be an idiot. I'll just grab this one down here and kill him. Don't follow. Oh yeah, I'm pull out my sniper. I'm gonna pop him. Say, pop goes the weasel. Come here, little weasel. Get up. Get up, fat boy. Get up, fat doctor. Yeah, I'm switching my shotgun now. Man, I'm struggling. Good boy. Now, give me your money. Thought you'd be a little richer than that for being a doctor. Okay, I'm gonna pop this guy with the sniper. Damn it. Fuck. There we go. It's taking so long. Get up. Okay, you know what? I'm just pop him one more time and I'll climb up there and I'm gonna kill him with my shotty. Okay, start running around in circles. Oh, shit. Here we go. Shotgun. Climb. Hurry up. Corner camp. Bring it. Oh, it's not the fuckers. There it is. Between me and Chainsaw Potato Sack Man. They're coming. Trying to kill El Salvador's right here. Good, he died. Now give me your money too. Okay, yeah, okay. Continue to climb up as I just pop you in the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Uh-oh. Well, I ain't pop him in the face. I'll pop him in the nuts, and then I know this works. What, that like 7, 8? I lost count. Okay, the dude I shot in the nuts is still alive. Come on up here, Pinky. Good boy. Let's go down here where young Chainsaw El Salvador's twin was. And pillage. Yeah. Definitely gonna need more of those. I'll take that money. Go open this door.